Cześć przyjaciele! Hi friends! It's almost 4th of July, and this year we're probably all gonna spend it in smaller groups than usual. However, I think it's still a perfect reason to have delicious food. So I would like to show you how to make an easy, amazing and very well-known potato salad. However, I'm gonna put a Polish spin on it. So let's start. I start by frying the bacon and boiling unpeeled potatoes. As usual, I start with my sauce, so I mix mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, some Polish-style mustard, which is a bit spicy, pepper and salt. I whisk everything together and then I add 1 spoon of bubbly water. I set my sauce aside in the fridge and start chopping and cutting all the vegetables and garnish. Remember that the potatoes have to be cold. If you're gonna cut them all, they're gonna be mashed potatoes. I chop some onion. In this case, I chop some red onion. I also chop cucumbers in brine, also called Polish pickles. The most flavor is gonna come from the garnish, so I chop some chives, some scallions, some dill, and some parsley. To make sure that it has a bit of heat, I also chop half of a chili. The last part is super easy. I take a big bowl and put all the chopped vegetables together and all the garnishes together. I leave aside a bit of dill. Also, I use a big spoon to make sure that I do not break the potatoes. I add some salt and pepper and the sauce that I made at the very beginning. I taste it and I add my chili to my liking. If it's too spicy, I don't add anything. If it's not enough spicy, I just add some more. I top everything with the dill and with some bacon. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed that recipe for potato salad. Please leave me thumbs up for more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes. Please subscribe to my channel. Happy 4th of July!